Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are absolutely plunging. We need to take a close look at what's going on here. How far could these potentially dump? And in my opinion, is it a buy the dip or short the rip type of scenario? We need to analyze both. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. You see, folks, crypto is an interesting market. It's truly a market
by the people, of the people, for the people. But the people are retarded.
The Don struck gold again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know over the past week or so, while all of your other favorite YouTubers were telling you that they're going long, that Bitcoin's breaking out, that it's a U-shaped bottom and we're going to 30,000, you would all know that on this channel, I planted my feet in the ground and said that this thing to me looks like nothing more than a fake out, and that we could possibly look to backtest all the way down to the bottom of this channel. Oh, let's get this crypto. And what do you know, folks? Whoopsies! The sell-off has already begun. So I'm sorry, little Jimmy, but you should have respected the top of the one-day Keltner channel band. You should have also respected the fact that we were creating a lower high trajectory after a heinous pump to the upside and finding resistance. I mean, this is classic bearish stuff, folks. All the while, we are still in a raging bear market. That's the biggest takeaway of it all. Nothing has changed here, folks. Nothing at all. So it drives me crazy that these moon boys want to come on YouTube week after week and tell you that the bear market is over. What evidence do we have of that, Stunad? Look at this chart here. Does it look like we found some type of bottom? Does it feel like the world economic situation has turned around? Does it look like the U.S. Federal Reserve is starting to lower rates instead of hike them? Does it seem like inflation is slowing down? Does it feel like we're in some type of euphoric bubble where week after week the price is just skyrocketing higher and higher and people are FOMOing in? I gotta get my corns. I gotta buy Bitcoin now. It doesn't feel like that because we're not in a bull market. Let's get this crypto. The Don is fired up. And what I'm telling you right now, ladies and gentlemen, is that those who continue to trade against the overall macro trend, in my opinion, which until proven otherwise is a bear market, they're going to continue to get wrecked. Just remember this quote. I've been pulling it up every stream. What is a bear market rally? I'm going to read this definition here, ladies and gentlemen, for all of these oatmeal brain degenerates who can't seem to grasp the concept. A bear market rally refers to a sharp, short-term rebound in share prices amid a longer-term bear market decline. Bear market rallies are treacherous for investors who mistakenly come to believe they mark the end of an extended downturn. As the primary bearish trend reasserts itself, the disappointment of those who bought during a bear market rally helps to drive prices to new lows. Bear market rallies are also known as a dead cat bounce or a sucker's rally. Oh, let's get this crypto. The Don is fired up. So, ladies and gentlemen, does this not all seem to be just another bear market rally, right? There's been nothing in the trend thus far that's changed. All that changed was we had a few green candles and these greedy, keyword greedy, moon boys who are trying to just dispel the fact that we're in a bear market. Why? Because they want to try and get rich overnight, ladies and gentlemen. They are degenerates. They're long-term losers. They're just trying to get in the market because they have this hope and a dream for a moonshot and a Lamborghini. And to them, they think that they can only achieve that when the price goes up. But as we should all know here, if you are subscribed to this channel, we can play this market to the downside and crush it. Shout out to my VIPs. You guys know I've entered shorts on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right now, I'm sitting in a profit on both. Sure, that's subject to change. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm working around the clock to potentially crush this market. So I saw that the resistance came in. I did try and take a few shorts up here. I hopped in and out for small losses, getting wicked out in this crazy volatility, but then I re-entered, and what do you know? Bang! The Don right now is sitting in a little profit here on Bitcoin. If we go over to Ethereum, I entered a short trade here on ETH as well. I mean, look, ladies and gentlemen, we lost the floor of support here. Actually, if we zoom in on the 4-hour time frame, it's even more obvious, right? We lost the wick low support. We're continuing to drop right now. If we go back to the 1-day time frame, you can see just like Bitcoin, we hit the top of the Keltner channel band, bang, got rejected, lost the support. And right now, folks, I mean, to me, there are really only two areas that I see as a price action target, and that's down at about 1,300. And the next one is down at about 1,000 flat. Let's get this crypto. So for me right now, nothing has changed here. Right? Look at this. I almost forgot to mention. We have seen this support hold up since May of 2021. And if you look back at this confluence here, you could say it started in March of 2021. But really, the mega support started in May of 2021. We just back tested it, used it as resistance, and are now plunging. This is textbook TA. Pick up a textbook on technical analysis, read it, and the first thing that you'll probably see is how support can flip into resistance, and resistance can then flip into support. This is what you're looking for in terms of trend confirmation, and seeing old macro support flip into new macro resistance is one of the most bearish confirmations that one could look for when evaluating the overall macro trend. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm truly fired up here. If you are enjoying thus far, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate it. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic crypto analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all. Welcome to the channel. So, I hope you understand why right now, until proven otherwise, I'm short on Ethereum. And as I said, shout out to my VIPs. I kept you guys up to date in real time with my ETH short, my Bitcoin short. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an example of how my posts look in VIP. You can see on the left, I post a trade synopsis and my ideas of why I'm seeing this for myself. And then on the right side, you can see the examples of my real-time updates on that position where I'm taking profit, moving my stop loss, you name it. The Don struck gold again. So if you would like to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas in a similar format to what I just showed you, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. Do not miss my next critical VIP trade setup idea and alert, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you already, if you were in my VIP yesterday, you would have seen that the Don shorted after the floor broke here. And right now I'm sitting in an absolutely juicy profit, looking to potentially crush this move like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. Let's get this crypto. So let me take you over to another chart right now that's very telling of the times, in my opinion. This here is the US dollar currency index, the DXY, and we will be going back to Bitcoin and Ethereum in just a moment. I just want to pull this up briefly here so you understand the environment. Obviously, the US dollar index is still in a raging bull market. If you are subscribed to this channel, you would know the last 2 times that we've been in a bear market on the DXY, we've seen the largest Bitcoin bull markets in history, okay? And the last 2 times that we've been in bull markets for the DXY, we've been in absolutely devastating bear markets for crypto and Bitcoin. Right now, folks, sure, we had a 2-week sell-off here in the DXY after breaking out of a bullish cup and handle pattern formation, right? And you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, if we draw a trend line, okay, we wound up breaking out of this cup and handle. We went up close to the measured move target, and right now it's trying to hold support of this trend line, right? Sure, it's dropped under a little bit, but you can see in general, right now it's trying to hold this line, and it has been doing so for roughly a week. So until proven otherwise, I mean, we're still in a raging bull market here on the DXY, which historically has not fared well for Bitcoin. Of course, past performance does not indicate future results. Just understand, we are still on a higher low trajectory right now until proven otherwise, and also a higher high trajectory until proven otherwise. This is as bullish as it gets. I mean, this is literally textbook as bullish as it gets. Just keep this in mind, because this has not historically been an environment in terms of the US dollar index that has been good for crypto in general. Now let's go back to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's start here with Bitcoin. I just want you to pay attention to the technical ratings indicator here on the bottom. This combines several moving averages and oscillators to give us an all-in-one type of reading, okay? Here on the weekly time frame, folks, we have never even come out of the red in this entire little consolidation that we've been in now for over a month. It's just been bearish the whole way. And even with this breakout, right, last week's green candle close, it was still red. And now, of course, this week still has to play out. But with how we've started thus far, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. This is as bearish of a reading as we've had in a very long time. I mean, just take a look at that, right? This is as bearish of a reading as we've seen in months. So the fact of the matter is here, folks, is that, I mean, what you're looking for in a bull market is sustained blue action, right? Notice this whole bull run of 2021, all blue, no red, okay? And in this bear market, we had 2 weeks of a fake out, and that's it. The rest has been red on red on red. And seeing a bearish engulfing reading coming in on here, meaning that this candle engulfs the 3 prior candles before it. You see that, right? This one basically eats these 3 candles right here. This, to me, is an absolute warning shot fired. Just is what it is, and it's lending more credibility to the fact that maybe, just maybe, this is still just going to be a fake out before we look to plunge to new lows, or at least retest that 17.5 area that we retested, or excuse me, that we tested down to originally. Let's go over to ETH. I mean, just look at this one, folks. Same thing. This does not look like bull market activity. This does not look like bottom activity, in my opinion, being rejected at the year-long line of confluence, and now seeing an extreme bearish engulfing reading here on this indicator. Folks, it just is what it is. I mean, I'm just putting this data in front of you. It's up to you to decide on how you want to interpret it. I'm just stating that for me right now, these moon boys, ladies and gentlemen, wow, they've been getting themselves hurt here, folks. And the fact of the matter is there's really no reason to be getting wrecked here, right? In a bear market, what's the strategy, in my opinion, ladies and gentlemen? In bull markets, you buy the dip. Why? Because the larger overall macro trend is trending higher with, like I showed you on the DXY, a series of higher highs and higher lows. Easy, right? So in that type of environment, it's buy the dip and ride it higher. In the opposite scenario, where we're in a bear market, where you're seeing lower highs and lower lows, it's the opposite. Instead of buy the dip, it's short the rip, okay? And so in that scenario here, when we're pushing up to the top of the one-day Keltner channel, when we're pushing up on this trend line of over a year of confluence, and then we lose the local area of support. Ladies and gentlemen, the Don's not buying the dip. The Don is shorting the rip. So understand right now, ladies and gentlemen, I have my finger on the pulse of this market. And if this thing continues to drop, you best believe The Don may be in for some juicy, juicy gains. Let's get this crypto. I'm telling you right now, folks, this market's heating up. And these Moon Boys have continued to take that trip to Wrecked City. They've continued to get caught like deer in the headlights. If that's you, I'm sorry, there's really no excuse. I mean, there is no excuse here besides letting yourself get emotional, in my opinion. So listen, what I'm telling you right now is I'm looking for more aggressive trade setup ideas for myself on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right now, time is of the essence, in my opinion. I told you this yesterday, right? That time was of the essence, in my opinion. And maybe you didn't understand what I was talking about. Time was of the essence because we could have broke this trap door here. And I could have posted a trade setup idea for myself that I was looking to short this thing and profit immensely. And I mean, that's what's happened thus far. Sure, that's subject to change, right? But the fact of the matter is that, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not already in my VIP and you'd like to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, strategy ideas, real-time alerts, very similar to what you're seeing on your screen right now in terms of the format, then today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. Do not miss out on my next critical real-time VIP trade setup idea and alert. Ladies and gentlemen, this market is absolutely popping off right now. I need to get back to my VIPs. I'm going to continue to keep my foot pedal to the metal on this market right now. I'm salivating at the potential opportunity here, folks, as I look to potentially vanquish this next market move and crush it like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can and get this crypto. So folks, on that note, if you did enjoy here today, a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for the thumbs up. If you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic crypto analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these important updates. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next critical VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell /long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.